Lakeside Renovation and Design weather deck. It's been windy today, and that pollen's kind of out there and about, Glenn.
Those tree pollens. This is the hardest time of the year. If you suffer from allergies, oak, ash, both high today. And, you know, just as a general rule, anytime you get a windy springtime day, we've had a couple here, you're going to get higher allergy numbers, and that is certainly the case today. Allergies just through the roof. So sorry, if you can close the windows, you know, turn on the AC if that's a possibility for you, certainly something you should do. Now, we've got some clouds around the bi-state area. These clouds are thick at the moment, but on our Doppler radar, we do not see any rain right now. Certainly it is dry currently across the bi-state area, but when we expand our view and we can see a little wider view, shows this monster storm that's building in from the west with lots of moisture to roll our way. Showers and storms, some severe out across the plains and even into the Rockies, where there is quite a bit of snow in some of those higher elevations. So that's the storm that's sort of gathering across the west and moving in our direction. So we're going to keep an eye on that here over the next couple of days. That's part of the reason why we have the thick cloud cover here. 84 right now. All our live views show those high, thin clouds across the bi-state area. Again, no precip involved here, but it's been great to be outside. Again, if you can stand the allergies, the view there at Forest Park and the boathouse looking pretty darn nice. Some boats going out, some boats coming back. Always good to see them all return, right? It has been nice. High temperature this afternoon into the mid-80s with a morning low in the 60s. So on both sides of the day, we are above normal. No precip just yet. It's been windy with wind gusts, highest wind gust at 33 miles an hour. Again, no rain for us for the day. We may change that tonight with this storm system that is on the move. Again, a big sprawling system that's sending us clouds currently. The center of low pressure still evolving across the Rockies, but as it all gathers together over the next 12 to 24 hours, there's a lot of rain to move our way, and I think that's going to be the main feature with this storm system, pushing in with the chance of showers and storms, but I think the heavy downpours will be the big issue with this system. And again, all these clouds continue to thicken up tonight. Rain is back tomorrow, and with that too, there is some cooler air. So don't expect 80s in our long-range forecast, although we do have a treat coming up this weekend. Here's how it all breaks down tonight. Clouds thicken up, 68 for the overnight low tonight. Temperatures will stay on the mild side. It does stay a bit breezy tonight, but definitely good outdoor weather here for the next few hours. Deck weather for sure, as we're proving. It is nice to be outside, just those allergy numbers running on the high side. Here's the extended forecast, showers and storms. Now, there is a small risk that we see some severe weather, I think, as we roll through the day tomorrow.